Alright, morning y'all. It is Labor Day and it's freaking hot. Yeah. Just kidding. What's up guys? So today's plan, like I said in the previous video, is I'm actually going to clean the interior of the Lexus. I already went and got started while my camera was actually charging, but this is how the grill looks. It looks so off to me. It looks really strange, and I know you guys are thinking like, okay, what happened to this area, right? And honestly guys, I'm not too sure if it's plasti dipped or painted, because I was rubbing the grill really hard with a towel, and it was honestly like not working. So I'm not too sure. Maybe I might have to get acetone, but I don't have acetone. So yeah, or like paint stripper. But yeah, look, I'm like, if it was, plasti dip, it would come off, no? As you can see, this is my driver's seat. I done goofed and forgot to remove the seatbelt, but yeah, look, that is filthy, guys. I wanted to just make sure I knew how to remove the seats prior to showing you guys, so I get to show you the passenger seat. So let's get started. Okay, so I don't know what I don't care what everyone says, taking this off is a freaking B word. Like, what you need is that little hook tool to remove like interior trim pieces. I honestly don't have that, so I've been using an Allen wrench. As you can see, very unprofessional, but I'm kind of like short on time today, so I'm just winging it. But yes, if you guys have the money, I recommend getting the little hook tool. It's kind of like a hook screwdriver, but basically what you want to do is you want to hook it on the bottom, so that way it removes the tabs. I know you could use a flathead, but I know I've been using a flathead and it hasn't been working. So same thing with this. I'll go ahead and show you guys how I've been trying to remove this shit. Okay. So I've been like, I know I'm kind of messing this up and this is probably cringing. Everyone's probably cringing, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Right there. Ah, oh, dude, tell me. That was freaking perfect. Okay, that's removed. And then you obviously have these bolts right here. These are actually 14mm bolts, but I would typically want to remove that last. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move the seat forward. You know, since I have these seats off, how do you guys feel about me just replacing the interior? I do have my other car I could just take for work while I order the interior pieces, but I am looking to get diamond stitch interior. Let me know, because that actually might be the move, to be honest with you guys. As you guys can see, hella junk, hella dirt, hella gross. Like, oh my god, dude. Like, back when I used to vape, I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys probably can see that. Let's do this. Actually, let's do this. That is disgusting, yo. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Holy crap, that was freaking tiring. Alright. Do this now. I think we gotta lean it forward from my understanding. Okay guys, so same situation with the back, but I'll use a screwdriver. Yeah, right there. That's it. Yeah, cool. And next one, same situation guys. Where is the, right here. Like, dude, see how fucking easy that is? Holy crap. Cool. Then we'll go ahead and get our 14 and just remove the seats. You want to get the interior tool to remove interior pieces, but I'm just using flathead, trying to be as gentle as possible. But yeah, you just remove that piece, and then you get a bolt. I believe it will be See if it's a 14 as well. Oh yes, so get a 14, an extender obviously, and then socket wrench, and just go ahead and remove it, and you should be able to release the seat belt. So let's go ahead and try that. Alright guys, let me start over. So what you want to do is you want to remove this first, and then remove the interior pieces, and then the bolts, the back bolts, and then the front bolts. And I believe you want to put the seat forward, so that way you're able to actually remove the actual seat from the door. This was a hassle, not gonna lie, because the seat kept on moving up. So I just used enough force to hold the chair down while pulling up to allow me to break the bolt loose. But for the most part, it is actually pretty loose, as you can tell. So all we gotta do is do that, and then voila. But now what you want to do is you want to move the seat back, and as you can see, there's like a wire being held up. Typically what you want to do is you want to remove that white piece and that yellow piece. It's fairly easy. I think this is probably the easiest part of the process, but yeah, let's go ahead and remove that. I don't even know what this is for. Oh yeah, so for safety precaution, what I recommend is turning off the battery. Don't be like me and just remove it right now, but I'm doing it anyways. But like I said, please unplug the battery so that way, you know, the airbag doesn't go off. Yeah, there you go. Seat is ready, and we are finally ready to clean up this freaking nasty car. Okay, let's move the seat. Alright guys, I'm gonna start cleaning the debris. So ready to vacuum, just trying to, you know, clean out what I can potentially just grab, and then I'll go ahead and start detailing and scrubbing and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. You know, I guess we could talk about a few things. I don't know necessarily what, but ew, what is this? What the heck? That's disgusting. Yeah guys, like, I don't know, like I love fixing cars, but you know, I think for the future I really want to start fixing like vintage cars, you know? And I feel like, ew, that's nasty. I feel like you can get to the level or to the point where you can successfully fix a vintage car, whether it's like a chassis or like, you know, from someone else's start. I feel like once you know how to like fix that vintage car, I feel like that is like the point where you know that, hey, you know, all those project cars that I previously had led me to this. And I think for me that's the end goal, because I kind of want to like build a car, not necessarily from scratch, but from like the chassis, and, you know, build it from the ground up, you know, learn body work, electrical work, and all the other stuff for a hobby at least. But yeah, enough blabbering. Let me just go ahead and just finish this up because it's getting hot. Alright guys, so you guys are probably wondering, why the heck am I wearing a mask? Freaking the California freaking fires, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just cleaned this freaking car, man. Dude, what the heck? Okay, anyways. Yeah guys, I done freaking goofed. I didn't know there was gonna be freaking fires. Look, it's hella dirty. All my hard work gone to waste. But the interior is actually really nice. Let me show you guys. So it's pretty dang cleaner now. I just gotta obviously bolt up the seats. I'm gonna clean the interior because it's still a bit dusty, but I'm trying to do this as quick as possible because I don't know, I gotta freaking drive everywhere to work. So let me go ahead and just clean this up real quick, and then we'll start finishing up the interior. So like I said, my dumbass, what a freaking fail, guys. Anyways, yeah, I literally cleaned the car as fast as I could. That's why some parts didn't get put onto the video, obviously the full detail. I'm not a detailer, but you know, I really enjoy cleaning my car just to get that motivation up. But yeah guys, I guess there was like a crazy fire, and there's just like a crazy fire everywhere in Oregon, California, obviously. I think the fire happened in Fresno from my understanding. Some people decided to do a gender reveal and it effed everything up basically. And guys, like, it was so bad. Like, I had work yesterday. I had to go to Richmond from where I live, and that's about, I don't know, like 30 to like an hour away. And I drove the Subaru, obviously, because I can't drive this. And guys, it was around 9 to 10 a.m. It's straight up, the sky looked like it was 9 to 10 o'clock at night. And it was freaking crazy. I couldn't do my job, obviously. I am a photographer, so kind of sucked. You know, my hours kind of got cut in a sense, but I know it's only for 2 days, so I shouldn't really be complaining. But yeah, I couldn't really clean the car. I was driving everywhere with my Subaru. And if you guys are wondering about the Subaru, the gas mileage on that car is actually pretty good. I mean, I know it's a newer car compared to like a lower Lexus, but guys, like, straight up, full tank is as much as a Lexus, if not like a little bit less. And it takes regular gas, so I'm paying not necessarily less money, but I mean, I'm getting more mileage in a car, I guess you could say, and I have to fill up less. So yeah, that's honestly what I've been up to. The first video, obviously, you know, as you guys can tell, it's the next day or a couple of days after. My camera kept overheating. This is actually a used camera that I got. And yeah. Oh shoot, sorry. I'm using these automotive wipes because I don't have any interior cleaner. So, I mean, it'll do for now, honestly. If you guys are wondering if he's really using wipes for leather, no, I actually got leather cleaner and conditioner. I mean, you guys saw in the video, obviously, but yeah. This week has actually been pretty crazy with the fires and stuff. But yeah, I was actually looking also. I was actually looking at interior seat covers. So for the Lexus, there's a brand called Classio. I don't know, I'm not too sure. But supposedly their stuff is good. I'm trying to get the diamond stitched interior. But the only problem with that is money, obviously. You're looking at, I think, how much was it? I think it was like $500 just to get the interior covers or seat covers. I'm just like, god damn, you know? But, you know, honestly, it's an upgrade I'm willing to make. So yeah, I still don't know how to go about to fixing up the Lexus. I guess I'll just do interior first and then exterior. I'm not too sure. If I find a good deal, obviously things will change up. But yeah, I mean, that's why I love fixing cars, you know. It's like you get to build it on your own. And I know there are times when, like, you know, you obviously can't say that if, what's it called, if you're like building an engine, obviously, because you don't have the right tools. But at the same time, it's like, you know, I worked my ass off to get that money to build that freaking engine. And I'm hiring someone to build it for me, you know. I put in the extra time, so I think that's always freaking nice. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are looking forward to, you know. What type of content do you want to see? Yeah, do you guys want to see me do more DIY? Do you want to see me do more, I don't know, car meets? I don't really go to car meets anymore just because of how ghetto it is now. I'm not trying to get hit by a Mustang or a Camaro, or I'm not trying to get hit by a BMW that's going hella fast and just loses control. So yeah, I mean, I'm just more of like, hey, I like building cars. I like kicking it with people who are chill. You know, if you're one of those people here in the Bay, dude, like, I'm down to kick it. You know, I'm trying to network with some people. I'm trying to meet some people. Not in that way, but you know, I think it's always nice to share your passions with someone, and I just keep fucking it up. God damn it!
I just think it's dope to just kick it with cool people who are down to just like chill, not cause any drama, and just like talk about cars, talk about life, and just that dope stuff, man. So I'm practically almost done cleaning the interior. I do also have this. This is highly recommended by all detailing people. It helps protect you say the life of your interior. So I'm gonna use this actually. It's called 303. What's it called? There's aerospace 303 and then there's also 303. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to rush with this because I'm not trying to stay here for too long and breathe in this freaking ash because this is just hella bad. So I know it's a very quick video, hopefully, but you know, I didn't really get to show you guys my process, but you know, shout out to the people who kind of messed it up for us and the crazy fires. So peace out, guys. That hurt my head. Let me know in the comments below what type of content you guys want to see, you know. I do have a video coming up, DIY how-to, so please look on the lookout for that. And like I said, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Come on, let me know in the comments below if you're trying to form a community. I'm down to make a Discord, so hit your boy up, comment below, let's conversate, y'all. Peace out. Keep cleaning. I know I didn't really talk much, but yeah, let's keep going, guys. Peace out.